How to log in to Amazon employee account. So if you want to log into your Amazon employee account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for Amazon employee. And once you've searched for that, here you will have Amazon A to Z login. So you can go for that. So to get started, you can simply enter your Amazon login ID or Amazon login, and then you can click on login. And once you entered your Amazon login, on the next step you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you can reset or recover your password by going for forgot password. And once you enter your information, or once you enter your credentials, you can simply click on login, and then you'll be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Amazon employee account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.